Hey guys, HavasuLew out in Lake Havasu. Hey, we're on our way to check out a brand new 4-bedroom, 3-bath pool home with a huge RV garage on a double lot. Hang out and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, we're out here at 2645 Castaway Drive. This was just listed, doesn't even have a sign in the yard yet. Just listed for $975. Sits on a huge, over half-acre lot, 28,750 square feet. It's actually a really nice area, kind of central. It's really nicely terraced up to the top. Lots of stonework. Looks like they have a bunch of Malibu lights, so it probably lights up pretty nice at night. Lots and lots of side driveway parking up here. You have side access. Not sure it's wide enough for an RV, but definitely get a couple trailers or boats back here. There's also a gate on this side too. Looks like there's access to get some back there as well. A little storage shed. Let's go on in and check it out. You have a nice little front courtyard. All right, guys, so this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath pool home, 2,042 square feet, built in 2015. This one sits on a huge 28,750 square foot lot. Split floor plan, open living area. Nice vinyl wood plank floors. Also has a nice 8-foot slider out to the backyard pool area. Kitchen has granite tops. I noticed there's plantation shutters throughout the whole house. Looks like it has the updated or upgraded cabinets, a little pantry, stainless appliances minus a fridge. All the cabinets have the soft close. You have your little pantry. So again, this is a split floor plan. So this is the master, sits behind the kitchen. It's tall ceilings. It also has the big 8-foot slider door out to the backyard pool area. So you have your master bath, granite counters, dual sinks. Same cabinets in here. You have your tiled walk-in shower. It's a pretty big one. They should have put 2 heads in this one. So you have your toilet with its own door. Walk-in closet. You have a real nice pool and backyard view from the master. Let's go check out the rest of the house. All right, so you have 2 more bedrooms and a guest bath on the other side of the house. This one has double doors, using it as an office. Looks like those are built-ins, so this probably stays. Again, plantation shutters. So you have your guest bath in the middle of the hall, granite counter, same cabinets. Tiled shower with glass doors. So you have bedroom number 3 at the front of the house. So you have your garage access and indoor laundry off of the front entry. Also has a little like pantry closet in the back. All right, so you have your garage set up. You have a 2-car side that's 24.5 feet deep, 8-foot doors, epoxy floors. You also have a huge 67-foot RV side that's just shy of double wide at 19 feet wide, 14-foot door. There is a ton of built-in storage here. 2 mini split AC units. You have your man door to the outside side yard, your water heater, reverse osmosis, and water softener, and all your home runs for your irrigation timer. So you have another side door to the backyard patio and pool area, a little drive-through bay. Looks like it's about 7 feet, 8 feet high. Let's go check out the 4th bedroom in the pool. All right, so you have a real nice backyard patio and pool set up. And the 4th bedroom has its own access. Go check that out in a second. So it's all travertine decking. All right, so you have a cool little pool room, 4th bedroom, Casita type setup. Has its own mini split AC, tall ceilings, its own bathroom. Little bar fridge and a sink. There's also plantation shutters in here as well. Then you have a little bathroom with its own little closet. Tiled walk-in shower. All right, let's go check out the pool. So you have this really nice pool, little Baja shelf. Again, all travertine, stacked stone. You have a cool little outdoor barbecue and palapa area. They did travertine on the tops and the stacked stone. Looks like it's hooked up to propane. So you have your side access over here with those double gates. There's plenty of room back here to do something. They have this little tough shed deal. And they also have all their pool equipment behind a wall, which is smart. Keep it out of the sun. It's a really cool setup. It's a huge lot. Again, this is over a half acre at just over 28,750 square feet. Has some little pavers back here, little sitting area, backs to a wash, so there's good separation to your back neighbors. Really nicely landscaped. You have a nice lake view down the wash here. Wash runs all the way up. Paver walkway over here too. Looks like they are using this side double gate, so there is plenty of parking back here to get back in here. Get a little tight with an RV again, but you can get boats and trailers back here, no problem. They have a little table for an umbrella. hot tub and fire pit that looks like it's on propane. All right, guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Castaway. Again, this one was just listed for $975. I will put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys can get all the latest pictures, price, and current availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video as well. You guys have a great week, and I'll talk to you soon.